Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you some things I bought from Amazon. These aren't new things, they're like an accumulation of products I've gotten for my nails. So I'm actually just going to start with the first thing in front of me because I'm not quite sure where I'm going with this yet, what all the products are, and I don't quite remember everything I have to say and what I'm going to be getting into, like any product issues or anything. But anyway, I'm going to start with this. So this is this pack of like these little decorative rolls, and it wasn't very clear how to use them. Like, I don't know really what I thought it was. Like, I'm not sure. I can't really remember. Like, I think I thought you just like pressed it on and it like transferred on. Like, I'm not sure what I thought, but I did some research, like looking, like kind of trying to guess what the product was because I couldn't find it because I had bought it so long ago, and I kind of just threw it to the side because I was like, this is garbage. So then I did my research. I found like these different foil transfer things, but this one wasn't transferring by just sticking it down. This one actually transferred with UV light. It says like you're supposed to use a foil glue and this, that, and I'm not, like, it didn't come with any of that. It literally just came like this, but I used it underneath the UV light, and I'm not sure if I have the nail still. I do. Okay, so this is the nail. Can you? Anyway, hopefully you can see that, but it didn't go on properly. Like, it wasn't solid. I might have to buy another product, but it was $7.99. I don't know. I'm gonna try and experiment with it a bit. Maybe I can figure out how to like use it effectively. So these, don't mind the writing on them. I just have them labeled. There's 10 different sizes, so 0 to 9. I forget how many came in here, but like there's still a lot in here. A lot came in here. They're just nails. Like, they're pretty thin. They're okay. Like, I bought them as a base to use for like gel, like the POLYGEL kit I bought, or like acrylic or something. I don't have any acrylic right now, but these aren't the ones that are like the curved shape, so it can like, you can build on it. It just goes on like the tip of your nail or whatever. These aren't those, so I have to like custom cut them, but I'm glad I had these because actually I want to just make a couple of pairs of just press-on nails for me to use because I bought the POLYGEL kit, which I'll get around to, but not loving it. This is a whole bag of just gel color. The brand is Anself, I guess, like, but they have like some really pretty colors in here. Like even that. Anyway, I don't know, there's some really beautiful colors. I haven't opened all of them. I've only actually opened a few of them. I think like for the price I paid, like, I don't know, I think around 30 bucks for all of those, which, I mean, they're obviously not as deep as they appear to be. They're actually quite shallow, but I mean, I don't really mind because I have all these different colors. I haven't tried all of them, but I have all of them. I can do little designs. I can do whatever I want with all these colors. Here's some of the little things that came with my my POLYGEL kit. So there's this little wheel of these little gems, which they're not like the nicest gems. Like, they're kind of roundish. They're not like sharp looking or anything, which is like, These came as well, and like, you can't really see. Like, let me take out these tweezers and show you some like of the cool things that come in here. Like, you can find some really neat stuff on Amazon, like, and I even know it was coming with these things. But so, like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like this little rectangle, and it's like curved a bit so it like would fit your nail. But yeah, there's like a cross one, It's like some feathers. I haven't used any of these yet, by the way, but you could like, this is the cross, you can't really see it, but you could stick it in the gel. Some of the gems are like not flat backed and like it's just random. These little glass pearl thingies, like these really tiny little glass bead things, like they look like little pearls, but they're like clearish. But they have a nice finish on them. Some of these little diamonds the same finish, but they're like pointy, like they're like not flat backed rhinestones, they're like normal rhinestones, or like normal like diamond shaped like gems or whatever. Yeah, but they're pretty, like they're overall pretty nice. Like they have some nice iridescent colors and like gold, and it's like kind of all cohesive. And there's this second one that it came with, which is like all these little gold bits. Yeah, the same kind of thing with the jewels. They're kind of funky shapes. Like there's quite, actually these ones have a lot of flat backs in it, some with a kind of not so normal shape, like the gems are kind of weird, and then like these ones, like it's like the reverse side is prettier than the gold side, but like whatever, it's just a cheap little addition to the pack. But yeah, I'm actually pretty sure some of these are hot fix rhinestones, like for clothing, because I have hot fix rhinestones and they have this like backing, like this glue on the back, and this looks like it has that glue on the back. Came with these little fruit like sticker card stamps for nails. Oh, I bought this for really cheap at the Dollar Tree, just some bows for nail art. This is the polygel I bought, the Cos polygel, Cosilia, I don't know, but it's garb. Sorry to that brand, like I don't know. I got it. Okay, I got the kit, and the UV light broke like right away. I plugged it and it broke. Like I had to buy a UV light, like another one. So basically I got like this shit gel that, first of all, actually wait, I'll get to that. But I had to buy that. I only really paid for the gel and like like the extra stuff they threw in, but it's like just cheap stuff, you know? But anyway, the gel, I would not have had a problem with it if it cured properly. Like I've never experienced like that in my life. Like I don't know, it just doesn't harden fully. Like it cures and it gets a sticky top layer, you clean it off, blah blah blah. Yeah, but like it's still soft, like it's bendy. It's weird. I don't like it. Issue number 2. These nail formers. Okay, so let me just take these out. Just take one of these out. Okay. First of all, like, I don't even know what the hell I'm supposed to do with this shit. Like, it doesn't work, guys. Like, and like, tell me why, like, you'll cure it and then it like doesn't cure. Like it like humps off of your nail and then there's like a little pocket of wet gel underneath. Like no, like the shape of these is garb. No. So, but I already kind of predicted that, because like it never really made sense to me watching it. I'm like, what the fuck, like why are people doing it like that? But so I bought these, right? And these work perfectly fine. I built the gel on it, but the gel's still soft garbage that does not hang on to your nail. Like they just pop off. So I literally took these and I buffed it out and I had it on my finger and I put the gel over it and I'm filing my nail and the top layer of gel popped off. And like I filed these and my own nail before I applied the gel, like because I used these as like extensions because I figured it'd be quicker. This is why I bought these. It wasn't, and I had like cut the diamond shape into it. Like the whole gel thing just popped, like including the little part with the diamond, like it was crazy. It was just crazy. Like I couldn't even believe it. Oh, unbelievable. So I don't recommend polygel. Like honestly, acrylic, even if it's the cheap acrylic kits, like I know they'll work. Like how you can't mess up acrylic. Like how do you mess up acrylic? Like this, like they're really just and they're giving you these little tiny little measly ass tubes, like, and I mean it's not like the acrylic powder was any better, but I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not, and so it's just no, not my thing. So I have this as well, this Morphlot, this little guy. And this is the charger. And so this is honestly, I love it. Like I think it's great. You can buy different bits if you want better like quality bits. It goes really fast. It like does both directions. So it has this little adjuster wheel, and the like different direction switch, and then in the middle it's off. It came with these. These are impossible to open. There's some missing out of it, don't mind that. Like I kind of have like some in here too, like, and these are like extra ones that came with it, little buffer wheels. I can't find, like I'm missing some parts because I'm oh, no I'm not. One of them's here. Okay, never mind. Thought I was missing some parts. Guess I'm not. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I don't really have any more nail product. Like I have nail polish and stuff, like random things that I don't know, don't think you'd really care about. I got like brush kits from Amazon. Like I got some really good little brushes and stuff, and yeah, all this stuff was relatively inexpensive. You can do at-home salon things on a budget. Like even I have my wax kiss machine back there, and like all that other stuff. Like I love to try and do things inexpensively and at home, because why not? Like why not? So, and I actually took a Fleming College dual credit course in manicure, and I got like a really good grade. I also took makeup artistry, like in case you can tell, you know, I'm joking. But no, I actually did take those. Like I like doing nails. I got really good grades in both of the courses. Like, and these were never my, like, this type of stuff was never my thing either, but I love doing nails. It's really therapeutic. It's fun. I love like looking at the designs after, and I love the way it feels to wear nails, and including wearing makeup. Yeah, so if there's any more things if you guys want me to show you me using the polygel, if you want to see how I use the like if you have any questions, if you want to see anything, if you want to see me use like the wax machine, which I probably will do a video about anyway, probably in regards to my eyebrows. But yeah, so if you have anything that you'd like to recommend, you can comment it down below, and have a good night or day, or whenever you're seeing this. It's night for me, but thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next one.